The plan is to move the recent hatchlings onto Lake Sofia in the north of the country, hopefully reintroducing them into the wild. In the early 1990s, the entire Madagascan Pochard population was thought to have been wiped out until 2005, when about a dozen of them were discovered by chance. Since then, thanks to Fota's support of the breeding project, up to 150 chicks have been born in captivity. The ambition is for the Madagascan Pochard to be reintroduced into the wild and breed in their natural environment. But for now, it's up to Florio to control and manage the process.
2 days ago, we were hatched from the incubator,
Yes.
and we have put in here in this Arni tank.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, and I'm very happy because during the incubation period, I'm very worried because there are many problems. Electricity cut, and
Yes.
you have to make sure the right humidity and right temperature in the incubator. I did not sleep at night. I just check and spray some water to increase the humidity.
So you were the expectant mother duck.
Yeah.
Doing everything for the eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you've certainly done a good job. It takes more than just the ducks themselves to make it happen. So, thank you.
You're welcome.
There will always be detractors from what we do in trying to save species in a captive environment. There would be no, more than likely, no Madagascan Pochard. And there are numerous other species like this. The simple maths is they are 24, maybe 25 in the wild. In the next fortnight, rain permitting, there could be 22, 23 more captive birds in the wild, which will actually virtually double the wild population. It's really great to see Fota's logo, 5,000 to 6,000 miles away from home. The people who contribute to the duck feeder, putting in their 50 cents, this is their project also.